Now children, today we are going to start with EVS 2. Chapter number 14. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. Now children, this is part 2 and we are going to start this part with new words. Precipice. P-R-E-C-I-P-I-C-E. Precipice means a very steep or overhanging place. Crevices. C-R-E-V-I-C-E-S. Crevices means it is a narrow crack or a gap, especially in a rock. Garrison. G-A-R-R-I-S-O-N. Garrison means troops. Grim. G-R-I-M. Grim means fierce. Shield. S-H-I-E-L-D. Shield means a broad piece of metal with a handle attached on one side. Warriors used in the war. Ashamed. A-S-H-A-M-E-D. Ashamed means guilty. Coward. C-O-W-A-R-D. Coward means a person who lacks courage in facing danger. Retreat. R-E-T-R-E-A-T. Retreat means to withdraw from the fight. Warrior. W-A-R-R-I-O-R. Warrior means a brave soldier. Now children, this is a content outline what we are going to study in this part. Over the precipice and into the fort. Tanaji's valor. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. Now children, over the precipice and into the fort. Now it was a dark night. Tanaji and his men were gathered at the foot of the steep rock. As it was night time, the sound of crickets could be heard all around. Now 5-6 members of Tanaji's group started to climb the steep rock. Now it was very high and dangerous too, but somehow these brave soldiers managed to climb. Now they pushed their fingers into the crevices. Now crevices, as I told you already, crevices means a small opening or small holes in the rock, and they begin to climb. Now slowly but surely they reached the top. As soon as they were on the safe grounds, they tied a rope to a strong tree and let the rope down for other soldiers to climb up and enter into the fort. Now Tanaji's valor. By now what happened? Now Suryaji had reached the Kalyan gate. Now they were waiting there for the doors to open and the battle on the fort started. Now because of commotion, Udaybhan heard of the attack and the battle drum was sounded to know others that the enemies are in and we are in danger zone. Now in a meanwhile, Mavlas opened the door of the Kalyan gate and a grim battle started in the light of dancing torches. As I told you, it was a night time, it was very dark, so they were fighting with swords and torch like mashals. Now here torch means a long stick with burning material at one end to set things on fire. Now Udaybhan attacked Tanaji. Tanaji was fighting like a brave lion. Now in the battle, Tanaji's shield was broken. Now shield means a thing which is used to protect against blows. Now so he tied a garment around his defending hand and continued to fight. Now in the end, both Tanaji and Udaybhan were brutally wounded and they fell fighting on the ground. They were both badly wounded and they fell fighting on the ground. Now the fort is captured but the lion is dead. Now with the death of Tanaji, the Mavlas were upset. They found themselves without their leader. So they started to run away. At that time, Suryaji arrived on the scene where Tanaji was lying dead. Now, though he was very sad that his brother had died in the battlefield, he did not waste time in grieving because he had no time for his sorrow. So he continued the fight and he cut the rope into which the Mavlas had climbed the fort. Now, why he did that? Because these Mavlas were scared that their leader is no more and they started to run away. So, angry Suryaji said to Mavlas that, don't you see that your father is lying dead? Are you not ashamed to run away? Like a bunch of cowards. Now turn back and fight because I have cut the rope. The only choice before you is either to jump to your death or to turn back and fight to destroy the enemy. Now these words of Suryaji gave courage to the Mavlas. Now so the Mavlas returned to fight. They turned back and started fighting. They started attacking in the battle. Now the Mavlas ultimately conquered the fort. The joy of capturing the fort was there in the heart. But the brave, lion-hearted leader Tanaji was dead. Now when Jijamata and Shivaji heard this news, they were struck with grief. They felt very bad. Shivaji was sorrowful, and that he expressed his sorrow in a single sentence, saying that the fort is won but the lion is dead, means the lion is no more. Now so Kondana became Sinhagad. Now as Sinha means it is said in Sinha, lion, right? And Gad means fort, so it's a fort of lion, Sinhagad. Now in memory of great warrior Tanaji, he was a lion-hearted man, and so Shivaji renamed Kondana as Sinhagad. Now even today it is remembered by everyone, the brave deeds of Tanaji. Now this event took place in the year 1670. Now the recapture of Kondana. Now later on, Shivaji Raje personally went to Umrate and performed the wedding of Raiba. Now children, we will learn in detail. Now as it was a dark night, Tanaji and his men were gathered at the foot of the precipice. Now here you can see the fort night time. Now it is the night time, the sounds of crickets could be heard all around. So 5 to 6 members of Tanaji's group started to scale the precipice. They started to climb up. So it was very high and steep. So you can see here how they are climbing. But somehow they managed to climb, and they started pulling themselves, and by pushing their fingers into the rock, they began to climb. It was very difficult and dangerous too. Now slowly they reached the top, and as soon as they were on the safe ground, they tied the rope to a thick rope to a tree and let it down to the precipice to others to climb. Now see how others are climbing like monkeys. They are all climbing like monkeys. Tanaji's valor. Now by now Suryaji had reached the Kalyan gate. Now he was waiting outside to let the doors open and then I'll get in. And inside the fort where Tanaji's men were inside, they started fighting. The battle on the fort started. Now Udayban heard of the attack, and what happened? So the battle drum sounded. Now what do you mean by battle drum? So it is a sound that you are in danger zone. So you'll get aware with this sound. Now Udayban's garrison attacked Tanaji's men. A grim battle started between two forces in the light of dancing torches. The Mavlas opened the doors of the Kalyan gate. And Tanaji was fighting like a brave lion. Now Udaybhan attacked him. Both were very brave and the battle between them was very grim. Now Tanaji's shield was broken. So what did he do? He tied his upper garment round his defending hand. On the left hand side you can see. Udaybhan's to defend Udaybhan's blow, and he started fighting. He continued his fight. Now in the end what happened? Both were badly wounded and they fell fighting. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. Now with the death of Tanaji, the Mavlas found themselves without a leader. Now and they begin to retreat, means they begin to withdraw from the fight. But then Suryaji and his men had arrived on the battle scene, and Suryaji was deeply grieved that his brother is no more. But he had no time for his grief, and so he continued his fight. At that time when the Mavlas were withdrawing themselves, means they were running back. So what happened? Suryaji cut off the rope by which the Mavlas had climbed up the fort. Then he stood in the path of the retreating Mavlas and said, "Don't you see that your father is lying dead here on the battlefield? Are you not ashamed to run away like a bunch of cowards? Turn back and fight, for I have blocked your retreat by cutting off the rope by which you climbed up. Now the only choice before you is either to jump to your death over the precipice or to turn back and fight to destroy the enemy." So the Mavlas returned to the fight and attacked the enemy. A grim battle raged. The Mavlas ultimately conquered the fort, but in the process had lost their brave, lion-hearted leader Tanaji. Now Jijamata and Shivaji Maharaj heard the news. They were struck with grief. Shivaji Maharaj expressed his sorrow in a single sentence that the fort is won but the lion is dead. So Kondana became Sinhgarh in memory of the great warrior who gave his life to recapture it. Now this event took place in 1670. Now later on Shivaji Raje personally went to Umrate and performed the wedding of Raiba. Now children, we will start with our assessment. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. The fort of Kondana was under the control of Dash, a Rajput officer appointed by Jai Singh. Aurangzeb, Udaybhan, Mirza Raje. Correct answer, Udaybhan. Dash was Tanaji's brother. Raiba, Suryaji, Shelar Mama. Correct answer, Suryaji. In the memory of Tanaji, Kondana became Dash. Sinhgarh, Raigad, Kalyan Gate. Correct answer, Sinhgarh. Dash garrison attacked Tanaji's men. Udaybhan's, Mirza Raje's, Aurangzeb's. Correct answer, Udaybhan's. Later on, Shivaji Raje personally went to Dash and performed the wedding of Raiba, Ratnagiri, Chiplun, Umrate. Correct answer, Umrate. Name the following. The name of Tanaji's brother. Suryaji, Raiba, Shelar Mama. Correct answer, Suryaji. What was the name of Kondana after the death of Tanaji? Sinhgarh, Purandar, Rajgarh. Correct answer, Sinhgarh. Third one. Who cut off the rope to prevent retreat of Mavlas? Udaybhan, Suryaji, Tanaji. Correct answer, Suryaji. In which year was Kondana recaptured? 1666, 1668, 1670. Correct answer 1670. Who said to whom? You take a detachment of 500 troops and try and reach the Kalyan gate. Suryaji said to Tanaji. Tanaji said to Suryaji. Correct answer. Tanaji said to Suryaji. Together we shall destroy the Mughal troops defending the fort. Suryaji said to Tanaji. Tanaji said to Suryaji. Correct answer. Tanaji said to Suryaji. Don't you see that your father is lying dead here on the battlefield? Suryaji said to Mavlas. Mavlas said to Suryaji. Correct answer. Suryaji said to Mavlas. Select the correct alternative. How did Tanaji and his troops enter the Kondana fort? By scaling the steep precipice on the western side of the fort by using a thick rope, or by capturing the main gate, or by making hole in the wall of the fort. Correct answer. By scaling the steep precipice in the western side of the fort by using a thick rope. What was the outcome of the fight between Tanaji and Udaybhan? Tanaji defeated Udaybhan, Udaybhan defeated Tanaji, or both were mortally wounded and died subsequently. Correct answer. Both were mortally wounded and died subsequently. What happened when the Maratha troops found that Tanaji was dead? They opened Kalyan Gate. They immediately launched a fierce attack on the Mughal garrison. They began to retreat. Correct answer. They began to retreat. Thank you.